At Florida Mid-South Realty, we bring family values, professional service, and local expertise to every real estate experience. With small town feel and a personal touch, we're here to help you find the right home or sell with ease. And don't miss the Florida Rockstars, our live podcast every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Florida Rockstars, rocking real estate news and all things local. Florida Mid-South Realty, your trusted hometown team.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
Clouds have been hanging tough across the area on this Tuesday, but despite that, it's been a warm day for many of us, especially the first half of the day before cooler air started to filter into our northwestern counties as early as the late morning and midday, but some parts in North Alabama got to the lower 70s. More widespread rain and thunderstorms have been off to the south and east of our viewing area today. In fact, just south of Tuscaloosa earlier today in Alabama, there is a tornado warning before midday. All that shifted well off to the south and east and moving away. We're back in the cooler air now, and you'll notice a big difference in the temperatures as we head through our Wednesday and our Thursday ahead. Lawrenceburg Airport Almanac, 64 degrees today. The warmer temperatures were during the first half of the day, unlike what we usually see. Morning low of 55. That actually happened this afternoon, so it wasn't really a morning low. It was more like a morning high of 64 and an afternoon low today of 55. Very little rainfall, but 6/107 inch measured in the bucket since midnight. Northwest Alabama Regional Airport got to 71 today, and they've since dropped to 61, but warm in Northwest Alabama for 107 inch of rain here. Most of the rain was off to the south and east of the area. Here's the Futurecast breakdown tonight. Clouds are going to hang tough here for the next several hours as colder air filters in. We'll be dropping into the upper 20s and lower 30s toward daybreak. After midnight, one more light batch of moisture comes across that may give us a few sprinkles, a few spotty light showers, or maybe even a stray snow flurry or two as we drop into the 30s, but no impact from that, no accumulation, no travel problems. And with the gusty northwest wind overnight, that will help dry off moisture from the roadways. So we're not expecting any issues with refreezing toward daybreak as we get the temperatures down into the lower 30s and some isolated upper 20s here. Will be mostly sunny for the first half of our Wednesday as we warm into the mid to upper 40s, maybe a few isolated lower 50s over northwest Alabama. A few more clouds briefly swinging across the area during the afternoon, and the slightest chance of a spotty sprinkle up here north of Highway 64 in Middle Tennessee. Chance of that is only 10%, however, dropping into the 30s tomorrow evening, and we'll make the low to mid 20s for many of us late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning as we start daybreak. A few more clouds around here, but I think GFS is overdoing that for Thursday and for Friday. High pressure shifting east of the area. Going into Friday will give us more of a southerly flow, so we'll have temperatures warming again back into the 50s Friday before rain chances move into the area Saturday. Maybe some showers in the morning, heavier rain and rubbles of thunder possible by the afternoon and especially into Saturday evening and the overnight. Maybe a lingering shower into Sunday, and then another chance of rain possible at some point between Monday, maybe into Tuesday and next week. But for now, we're going to lean closer to Monday and Monday night in the forecast. We'll change that if necessary. Chilly around here the next couple days, but not quite as cold as what we had back last week. And notice it also doesn't last for too long. We're back into the mid to upper 50s Friday into the weekend and into the lower 60s as we begin next week. So no long-term cold around here for the next 7 days. Just a couple more chilly days right immediately ahead of us. Mostly cloudy overnight. Again, maybe a stray flurry or a rain shower after midnight into the early morning hours as we drop into the 30s. We'll have morning lows in the upper 20s and lower 30s as we get closer to daybreak. 7-day forecast breaks down like this. Sunshine tomorrow morning, a few more clouds tomorrow afternoon, a 10% chance of a spotty shower in Middle Tennessee, north of Highway 64. Highs in the 40s for Wednesday and Thursday. Back to the 50s on Friday. Rain chances come back as we head into the weekend, heading into early next week. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.